Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Do these people know how to take roundabouts?
A few moments later.
That's seriously deadly. I thought the cop was about to start doing donuts here. What is he smoking? We can share this lane, mate. A hit and run, but the driver is an absolute idiot.
Ah, damn it! Are you fucking serious?
You gonna run?
Just go into the fucking hall. Yep. Call 911. Call 911.
I'm taking a photo.
A few moments later.
I only signal when I can cut someone off. This truck took the wrong road. Literally. I have mixed feelings about this one. What do you guys think? Good reaction time from the Mini. Welcome to Florida. Exit 49 has a crocodile under the bridge, so be careful. It's all fun and jokes until a Cybertruck hits you. Comment down below if you've seen a Cybertruck in real life yet. This driver must have a really bad alignment. Like, seriously.
9 p.m. your time in Jerusalem. And we just heard from our colleague Raja. She was talking about how things have changed in Gaza.
This might be a bad take, but if you're going to cut someone off, cut off an actual car and not a bus full of kids. Did the driver yell here?
No, amor, what the
Let's hope those cheap gas prices were worth the insurance bill on this one. What accent is this? I like it.
Shit!
How one tire almost killed a driver. Now this was scary.
住门里啊。
I feel bad for that little car. This was worth the extra 10 seconds he would gain. I drive a truck, so make way, peasant. I think only a Tesla driver can do this type of thing. He was just pulling a quick U-turn, nothing serious. At least put body armor on.
A few moments later.
Now watch everyone get cut off. Seems like he wasn't the only one who got cut off. This was the most confident U-turn that I have ever watched. Now that's class. I hope I never have to go to Denver. No hate to anyone. Draw a stop sign on those mountains. Jeez. This is like a scene out of a movie. I don't think there is an inch left between that front bumper and the car in front of this driver.
One eternity later.
I turn, now! Is having a truck in America part of the Constitution or something? I think we just got to see the next Star Wars movie here. I am just as confused as you are, mate.
12 seconds later.
Are cops always trying to pull people over in the United States? How many times have you been pulled over? comment below. Okay, that's enough for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.